Hello everyone. Today we will study about the hypersensitivity. So, what is an immune system? Our immune system is designed in such a way that it can distinguish between the cell and the foreign particles. The foreign particles are those which are coming from outside in our body, and cell are those which are already present in our body. Two types of failure can be possible, self and the non-self. Sometimes the immune system recognize self cell as a non-self and non-self cell as an self cell. Means जो सेल्फ सेल है उसे वो इम्यून सिस्टम रिकॉग्नाइज करता है एज ए नॉन सेल्फ, और जो नॉन सेल्फ सेल है उसे वो रिकॉग्नाइज करता है एज ए सेल्फ. So by these type of reactions or by this type of failure, it creates some extra reactions, and those extra reactions is known as hypersensitivity. Hypersensitivity can be of various type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. So firstly we will read about the type 1, allergic, anaphylaxis and atopy. In this, the major key role play the mast cell. Now see the structure of mast cell. This is a structure of mast cell. जो mast cell है, it is a large cell. Inside it there is present a nucleus and some vesicles. These vesicles release the chemicals like histamine, heparin, LB4, LC4, LD4. Okay, so what happened now in in type 1 hypersensitivity, 2 IgE antibody attached होते हैं with the receptor. Okay, and the receptor is known as IgE receptor or FC receptor. Okay, so till now they are not activated. How they will get activated? When 2 IgE antibody will get attached with the help of an allergen. Now what is an allergen? Substance which can create its hypersensitivity reaction inside our body. Okay, जब 2 IgE antibody attached होंगे allergen के साथ, then they will be cross-linked with each other. When they will be cross-linked with each other, then there will be rise in this cyclic GMP. As there will be rise in this cyclic GMP, it will give signal to the nucleus to release out the chemicals from the granules. Okay, means from the vesicles they will release the chemicals. These are vesicles, and see, here are some secretions going on. Okay, these secretions are coming from the vesicles. Inside the vesicles there are some granules, and granules are the type of the chemicals. Okay, when these chemicals come out or release out, they will damage the tissue like histamine, heparin, LB4, LC4, LD4. Okay, now what does this histamine do? These cause the two type of reactions, vasodilation and the smooth muscle contraction. Now what is vasodilation? Okay, when the permeability between the cell increase. Okay, जो permeability है cells की वो increase हो जाती है, and it causes the endothelial cell increase, then cell starts contracting. When the cell starts contracting, the blood come out and it swell up. Okay, now what is smooth muscle contraction? The smooth muscle contraction is that when there is the contracting between the brachioles and it got an aerobic contraction. Okay, and due to that we got an death, हमारी death हो जाती है. Then LB4, LC4, these both are the chemotactic factor. Okay, for the neutrophils, basophils and the macrophages. Now LD4 are the potent cells. Thank you. I hope your all doubts are cleared.